of course late, so, and all my lights weren't on.
Hi, I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I review synthetic wigs here, mostly. I have Free Trust equals Freedom Part Wig. Her name is Freedom Part 101. She's definitely a silkier texture. She's not a real yucky texture. I'll probably have to put a little bit of like dry shampoo and hairspray on here just so that there's not flyaways going on. I am gonna put a little bit of this styling cream in just to like dirty it up a little bit. I feel like when it's super silky like this, that can help just to keep it, you know, run it along in the front here. You know, just to give it that like second day hair situation. Yeah, I'm liking her. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you